Father Philip, I strongly disagree with what you said about this lady they said that tried to close Adoration Ministry and also was responsible on the demolition of Father Okunere's ministry, including his properties. You know, I've been seeing a post that stated that the woman died a few days ago. Was it 2 days now or 3 days? You know, Monica Ottah of a lady. I don't know if I got his name right now. And I stumbled upon a post Father Philip made. And she said she was sick and later died just like any other sick person. Her death was not the result of any prophecy or karma. I wonder what kind of Christianity celebrates the death of another human being. I wonder what kind of Christians the church is producing today. If you celebrate the death of another human being simply because of your loyalty to your favorite prophet or man of God, then you have made that person an idol and a simple and idol worshiper. See, I'm fully in support of anybody from Adoration Ministry or from Father Okunere's Adoration that is rejoicing or celebrating the death of this woman. That is, if actually that this woman is responsible for those incidents that happened then. You know, first it was, they said, according to Father Mbaka, it's not a rumor. He always say that in some of his video that the lady Monica Ottah or whatever was the one responsible to close Adoration Ministry. And Father Oku, I think few months ago, was it few months this year or sometimes last year? I think it's recent. Also came out openly to say that this same lady was the one responsible for the demolition of his ministry and his water factory, and they destroy a lot of things. It's high time we start calling a spade a spade. I don't always like this idea of your enemy is trying to do this and you will be praying for her, or you will be acting as if now you be Jesus Christ. And clearly you see that some people in this life, like you are seeing that clearly some people are out to frustrate you, like without considering anything, you know. And you are still doing you are a Christian, Jesus Christ, you shouldn't do like this, you shouldn't do like this. Let me tell you, if it's possible for the adoration to throw a party, cook rice, if they invite me self, I will eat. It's just that I know that some of them don't like me. I don't know why I'm laughing. But the thing is that it's high time we stop all these things, because clearly you see that a lot of people are trying to mess the church now, and we are still doing gone are those days. I say I'm go that side then turn on side then I got my piaganya like I get su me, and nothing will be done. And you still see all those people doing some certain things, living large. That woman, do you know the gravity of what that woman tried to do? If you as a reverend father will come out to a lady that clearly want to shut down a church, adoration that a lady Nkankamad is trying to shut down, go to Enugu. If you can't turn back, count Father Okunerere and others that I don't know their name, but at least these two are known, very well known. A same name we already want to shut it down because of whatever. Even though there is always a way to do something, especially this last thing. Father Okunerere, you don't know that there are some things you will do in this life. Not only God will fight you, even the nature, whatever you believed on or you believed in, will also judge you. out from nowhere you put bulldozer, destroying people, someone's hard and money, destroying properties, messing a lot of things up, and the person died. You ask them not to rejoice. For what? They should go ahead. I'm in support of it. They should throw a party and rejoice. In fact, like na angupu mmanya or onye ojo na people buribu. What are you saying? You know, my problem with you priests, especially in the Nkano outside, is that you guys don't know what they are talking about back home. Oh, that money here in the Nkano na buy nafu, especially from all these their bishop and the rest and the people no na hakuna bahamba. Out here, at least I'm close to some priests here. All those things, they do their thing. Like any unnecessary pressure from us, when I got reporting to bishop. In all those things, they report to a bishop, you will do it here. Nobody send you now. Some of you outside here don't know what those ones are buying for. You know, I'm fully in support of that celebration. It's just that I don't know much about the woman. I don't know much about any of those things. That's why I was just watching them. But them that are in those ministry, no more. They no more. Allow them to rejoice. Stop trying to cage them with all this right up. If you worship, allow them to worship the idol. After all, Chineke has not mad begin. Allow them to worship that idol or whatever you call it. And those who brew unnecessary teachings, not confused, we are innocent church goers. The lady fool and kiria in Equisuja Quarongoro. You know when they know in this life who he had just worum when Hanyeko Susequensu worum Maria Masegi. Equesu Jiriha Quarongoro. Oh no, all the lands Nina no Enugu always in call for a fight. Now Nke Adoration Ministry and let me even leave Nke Adoration Ministry that all those things fix your things. This recent thing Fadoku destroy property worth millions of naira. Millions of naira. Oh, this I always tell people, God is not human. When he gave me even mande uramu gesu na achugo also. Even menu na ikuku anyam everything gesu na achuki ka happy wogi because he rugana. You guys should stop all this unnecessary wrong writing regarding Christian faith in Kaji Kemenke. Adoration members and the Fadokune, you guys should rejoice. And I say how we in life, we haga hekwe, hane no hawa wadinaka, wadinaka, giri makonyabi, boom, oberi ho na enwana way, if you know way hebo. I was looking as I don't even know the lady like I said, but I was going through posts. Big lady na ano e church be na ano oburu ki mechie a whole church. You need this no now. No. It's too much, nego. So what am I trying to say? I'm fully in support of that celebration. They should go ahead and celebrate. Like I said, if our party share rice, me invite. Ma be there. Rich odira is Mary na tapo chicken. Ntacha chicken. Man or dear, what nonsense?